السلام عليكم ورحمة الله بنات. هذا الجزء الرابع والأخير من المراجعة. إن شاء الله مش هيكون هذا الفيديو طويل، إن شاء الله يكون بس هنشرح بس هدول السؤالين وبس هنرجع خطوات للخلف بسيطة عشان أعرض لكم بس شيء مهم قبل ما نخلص المراجعة. Let's start with this question 18. Multiply and simplify this problem, which is multiply two rational expression, and this one divide and simplify the same problem or the same topic, but just we need to practice on how we can divide or multiply. Okay, but before starting our problem, I think you have mistake in your sheet. In your sheet, I think this one is 7. Can you please change to 11, because it will be more easier for you to understand how you can follow the steps and get the simplest answer. Let's start quickly in question 31. Multiply and simplify this question or this problem. As you see, we have two rational expression and we need to multiply these two rational expression and get the simplest answer. You have to follow only these 3 steps to get your final answer, which is factor, cancel, simplify. Let's together do the factorization of the two rational expression if needed or if applicable. As you see, I rewrite the two fraction again, the two rational expression with a new factorized expression, x squared minus 25. Most of you or all of you know how we can factorize x squared minus 25. X squared is a square of x and 25 is a square of 5. Just we need to repeat writing x and x in the first and second brackets, and 25 is 5 times 5. As you know, this is difference of two squares, 1 plus and 1 minus. Then go to the denominator. This is quadratic trinomial. As you know, quadratic trinomial we can factorize as 2 brackets or 2 factors. X squared is x times x. No any problem to write these 2 factors. Then go to 12. Think about two numbers multiply give you 12. I have, I think, 3 options. 1 multiply 12, 2 multiply 6, and 3 multiply 4. All these 3 factors or 3 facts give me 12. But which one is the correct one? Go to this sign, minus. If you subtract these 2 factors, give you, what is the number here? What is the factor? Yes, minus 1. If you subtract, give you minus 1. 12 minus 1 will not give me 1. 6 minus 2 will not give me 1. 4 minus 3 is give me 1. But you don't need 1, you need minus 1. So subtract the smaller minus the bigger. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4, not 4 minus 3. So if you have here minus, it means you have to put 1 plus and 1 minus because you want a different sign. Now no need here to factorize this rational expression, because the numerator in the simplest form and the denominator in the simplest form. Just write them without any change. X plus 3, x minus 5. The first step done. We factorized the all expressions, and some expression no need to factorize. Then write them as them without any change. Now the step number 2, which is cancel the common denominators. I see x minus 5, x minus 5, 1 in numerator, 1 in denominator. Please just cancel the common factors between 1 in numerator and 1 in denominator if you see any common factors. Then go to the other factors. I see x plus 3 up and x plus 3 down, so we can cancel them out. Then this so the second step done. Go to simplify. Simplify, it means rewrite your answer without the cancelled factors and just put the remain factors. I have one remain factor in the numerator, which is x plus 5. So x plus 5 in numerator. And what is the remain factor still in the denominator, which is x minus 4. So x minus 4, and your final answer got. So x plus 5x over x minus 4, this is my simplest or the answer of my first question. Then go to question number 32, which is divide. So the difference between question 31 and question 32, the sign. Here multiply, here I see multiply, as you see, here multiply, and here divide. No any change of steps between the multiplying or dividing. Why? Because I will change this division sign to multiplying sign. But you need to charge yourself if you decide to change division to multiplying. Why? Because I will change all steps I need to get the final answer. So if you want to, and this is automatically happen when you change division to multiply. So when you want to change the sign, you need to flip. So flip is the charge of changing. So what is the flip? Flip the second rational expression. This one we call it divisor. So rewrite x squared minus 36, the dividend without any change. X squared minus 11 x plus 24, and just upside down the second fraction. It means bring x minus 3 from denominator, put it in numerator, and bring x minus 6 from numerator to denominator. This is the flipping of the divisor. Why we did that? Because you want to change division to multiplication. So it will be x minus 3 x minus 6. So flip and the change done. What is the next step? Is to factorize, as we did here. Go to the first step here. So we will start factorizing, then canceling, this simplifying. Go now how we can factorize x squared minus 36. Rewrite the fractions by putting two factors, this factors as a brackets. X squared is a square of x, and 36 is a square of 6, because 6 times 6 give me 36. X squared is x times x, so x times x for x squared, 6 times 6 for 36. 1 plus and 1 minus, as you know. Then go to the denominator. This is quadratic trinomial. As you know, we can factorize any quadratic trinomial by putting two brackets. For x squared, put x times x. What about 24? I have four options. 1 multiply 24, 2 multiply 12, 3 multiply 8, and finally 4 multiply 6. But which one is correct? This one or this one or this one or this one? This sign and this number will guide you to the correct facts. If you add them, you will get 11. So which two factors, if you add, give you 11? I think 3 plus 8. Because 3 multiply 8, 24. 3 plus 8 is 11. So this is the correct factors. But you want them minus 11, not plus 11. It means minus 3 plus minus 8. Please don't follow this sign and put 1 plus and 1 minus because you see 1 plus and 1 minus in the expression. No, what is the sign of your sum? It's minus 11. So it means the both must be minus 3 minus 8. Now, no need to factorize these two factors because they are not square and there is no any common factor. So write them as them without any change. So factorizing done. Now canceling. I'll cancel x minus 3 with x minus 3, and again and again and again. Please cancel one from numerator, one from denominator. It's not allowed to cancel two common factors in one line. It means from denominator and denominator, or numerator with numerator. One from numerator and one from denominator, as you know. X minus 6 with x minus 6 cancelled. Now the last step, which is simplify, and simplify it means write the remain factors from numerator and denominator. So x plus 6 in numerator and x minus 8 in the denominator. Done. No need to do anything more and you'll get your full mark. Okay, just go back to question number 13. Just recall some information for this. I want you now again and again and again, please. Can you please scan this QR code to get the table which will guide you how you can find the period, asymptote, vertical shift, phase shift, domain and range, all characteristics of any trigonometric function. Please, you have to download this table. It will guide you directly in how you can find the all characteristics of trigonometric function. So please, if you want to solve with me this question again, please scan by your mobile this QR code. It will give you the table, and I will follow the all information in this table to give you the required characteristics in this question. Find period. In your table, you will find the periods of sine, cosine, and tan, and asymptotes. All these just follow A, B, C, and D. And in the table, you will find all characteristics and how you can find them. But before that, this is so just you need to write A, B, C, and D. What is A, what is B, what is C, what is D? Once you get this four constants, you will follow the table information and get all your characteristics directly without any calculation. A here is 2, B is the coefficient of x, which is here 1, C is the constant inside the bracket, which is minus pi over 2. Lastly, the constant in the function, which is 1. This is D. I want you to revisit the table again and try to do it and write the all required characteristics. And cosine similar to sine, no any change, just I want you to write A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. A is minus 3. B is the coefficient of x, which is 2. C is positive pi. And C and D is minus 5. Now go to the table. See the required characteristics and follow the table to find by using A, B, C, and D. All A, B, C, and D colored, and how we can find the characteristics required in your question. No need to doing any calculation. Just follow the table. You will get all your required in the questions. Thank you so much. Wish you all success, inshallah. Goodbye.